Ever seen a lion go from fierce to feeble? Lion face fire. When a lion catches a fever, it's not just a tiny sniffle, it's a full-blown roar to snore situation. These mighty kings of the jungle turn into sleepy, shivering big cats, barely mustering a weak growl. Vets step in fast: hydration, meds, and lots of rest. Even predators need TLC. Watching a lion curl up like a house cat is oddly heartwarming. Think your sick days are rough? Imagine being a 400-pound patient with a sore throat. Grinning face with sweat. Drop a lion face in the comments if you'd still cuddle this feverish feline.